Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rahane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Designing Simple Website Using Composer, part 3. Student, now in this lecture we are going to learn how to design website. So few of things which I did in last lecture I repeat it again. So let's start. Here, first of all, we have to open Composer. In Composer, now we are going to make a design of website. Now, which website we have to create? For that, you have to open, if you have Darpan, then page number 73, where you can see the School Plaza website, which are going to create now. So, first of all, go to the table option, select one row and one column option, double click on it, and in table you have to set the width 100, but in place of pixel you have to set percentage of window. Apply. Okay. So here you have to first add one more table for adding School Plaza heading and image. For that you can go to the table menu also, or insert table, or you can go to the insert menu also. From there also you will get the table option. So you have to add here one row, two column. Okay, now I want this on upper side, so I delete this. And if you want to change the table width, so double click on that table. So here inside that table you will get the option 100, but in place of pixel you have to set percentage of cell. Now student, here one important thing, when you take first time table inside the Composer, that time it will have percentage of window, but second time you take the table inside the table, that time it will be a percentage of cell. So you have to select option percentage of cell, press OK. So it will be set. Now here you have to set the image, and here you have to write the heading. So I am writing my website heading, School Plaza. I select it, I increase the font size, I said in center, sorry, your mistake, School Plaza. So, and if you want to apply background color, if you want to increase the font size, so you can press here. If you want to make it bold, press here. If you want to apply background color at the back side, then go right click on it, table or cell background color, and you can select any one color. Okay, now here you have to set the picture, but for that you have to click on image option. From image location you have to choose where it's stored. So I kept this folder on desktop, so I will go to the school folder and I will select the one logo, so I can select this. Don't use alternate text option. Dimension you have to set 150. Okay, so it's set over here. If you want to increase the font, if logo size, you can increase it, student. So it's looking good. Okay, this is the logo. Now here you have to add the next row, categories and new products. So for that again I will go to the table menu and insert table, one row and two column, and set the width 100% of cell. Apply OK. Now if you want to apply background color, then right click on it, table or cell background color. For table, color is yellow, so it's set over here. Okay, Now if you want to change this border only, you want to change this color, then how to do this? Again, right click on this cell, table or cell background color. So I select again table and I set the color. Okay. And if you want to adjust this space, then press delete option, so it will be set over here. So here I am writing categories and new products. So here I am writing categories and here I am writing new products. Okay student, now here I have to increase the size of the text. So I will select it, increase the size. If I want to change the color, I can change it from here and I set it red color and I make it little bit bold. Okay, now here also new product, I make it bold, increase font size and color also red. Okay, here also I will increase the font size. Okay, now so here you have to set the table size. So for that student, you can see here for this table, this is the table is divided into two columns. So from here you can adjust this size. Okay, if you want to keep it center, set the select center option. Okay, now here you have to add categories and products. So for that, table, insert table. Okay, and I have to set the size 100% of cell, apply. Okay, now one more thing, if I want to manage this space, so I have to press delete key, so it will be joined. And again, if I want to change the background color, then select this cell, right click table or cell background color, select table and color I take little bit dark yellow. Okay, now here I want to add categories, so just little bit I adjust this. Here I want to add categories, so for that student, I select it and join selected cell option. Okay, and here I will put again one more table for adding categories. So for that, go to the table, insert table. Okay, now here I have to set like this way. Okay, the first category is school bags, so I'm adding here school bags. After that, I want one horizontal line. For that, I will go to insert horizontal line. Now second option is water bottles, so I will write here water bottles. After that, insert horizontal line. Okay, after that, next option is lunch box, so here I am writing lunch box. After that, one more horizontal line I want here, so horizontal line. After that, compass box, so here I am writing compass box. After that, one more horizontal line I have to add, so again horizontal line. After that, stationery, and again I have to add horizontal line, stationery. After that, files and folders, files and folders, and one more horizontal line I have to add. Okay student, so this whole categories added over here. If you want to change the color, you can change. If you want to change the background, means background color also, you can set it like this way. You can apply. If you want another color, okay. Now here you have to add product. So for adding product, again I'm selecting this all cell and select from your center option. So whatever image you will add, it will be set in center. So from here I'm adding one bag, and don't use alternate text option. Dimension should be 150. Okay, so this is your bag. So I copy this product and I paste everywhere like this way. Now why I'm adding this again and again? Because the next time when you add the image, you don't have to set width, so you have to just change the product. So I double click on it, and from here I can change the product. Understood, student? That's why I copied this in each cell. So this is your bag product. Now here I want water bottle, so I double click on it and I want water bottle, so I will select here water bottle. Here also I want water bottle. I go here, I select option water bottle. Here also I want water bottle, so I go to the folder, and here also I select the option water bottle. Now the next is lunch box. So here I click, I select from here, I want lunch box, so I will go here, open lunch box. Here also open lunch box. Here also double click and select option lunch box. Okay, after that compass box, so double click on it, select from here and add compass. I'm adding here compass box. Okay, here also I'm adding compass box. This is done. Okay, okay, now the compass box also added. Now the other rest of thing we will add later on. Now we have to add here the product name, price, checkbox and text box. So enter here, and first I'm writing here girls red bag. After that I want here price, so rupees 500. After that I want here one checkbox, so go to the form option, form field, and from here checkbox, field name C1, field name C1, press OK. And here I am writing add to cart. After that I want one text box, so again go to the form option, form field, here I am writing T1 and I press OK. If you want to change the text box size, then double click on it, go to the more properties, field size I am writing 5, and here I am writing quantity. Okay student, understood? Now the same thing I want in each product. So I copied this, and after the product press enter, 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 after the product press enter. And here just I have to change the name. So I'm writing here boys red bag, here girls pink bag, here red water. Okay, I'm writing here water bottle 1. Here I'm writing water bottle 2. Here I'm writing water bottle 3. Okay, now after that here I'm writing lunch box 1. Here I'm writing lunch box 2. Here I'm writing lunch box 3. Here I'm writing compass box 1. Here I'm writing compass box 2, and here I'm writing compass box 3. Okay, now I want these categories on top, so I will press enter. Okay, now it's looking good. You can see here. Now I save this page by name index.html. So go to the file option, save, page title I'm writing School Plaza, and page name I'm writing here desktop, and saving this page index page. So I press save button, replace it yes, and I browse. So I save it, and you can see a student, it's looking like this way. So this is your School Plaza website. In next session we are going to learn how to link this category, as well as once you add product how it will generate the bill. So thank you student.